Well, good morning, good morning, good morning. Scrappers, scraphettes, and my little scrapeteers. Oh, Betty's ready to rock and roll. It's a little overcast, a little windy, but in all, it's a good day. And I got my sidekick, Captain America. Captain America's here with me. Yeah, he's looking over, checking things out. I can't see everything. All right, so hope everybody's well. Hope everybody's feeling good. We'll turn this back on as soon as we get to that first pile. How's that? Stick around for a little while. That's all I ask. Thank you to everyone. Yes, thank you. All right, let's see what we got. All right, we got a shelf here or something. And it definitely looks like it wants to rain any minute, so I don't know. Yeah. Nice metal shelf with some organizers. That, you're throwing that out? Yeah, I'll take that. Yeah. Fix that. All right, Bo, thank you. All right. Another one. All right, no problem. All right, what do we have here? Oh. I'll take this apart. You put it right there for me. All right. I'm gonna back up so I don't block your driveway. I'll take it apart right here.
Okay, you're good.
All right.
You can actually get up to the driveway.
All right, thank you. All right, let's take this apart. Just bend it. You got some fucking funky looking screws. All right, simple enough. Just bend it, break it apart. That's all we gotta do. Got some funky looking screws that I don't have it. I don't have that tip. So yeah, we'll just take it apart. Unscrew this part here and there we go. Throw that in there and get the other one. All right, so you get the idea. I don't know what's the matter with the camera. It's not making the beeping sound, so I know that it's on. And I keep thinking it's on, and it's not on. So, I don't know what's the matter with it. Maybe it needs a vacation. Maybe it needs a break. I don't know. Well, we're just stacking it. That's all we're doing right now, so... get it all together here so it's not flying everywhere. All right, so we'll finish this up and we'll continue. All right, we have ourselves a dishwasher. Let's see what we can salvage out of this dishwasher. All right. Well, that's already giving me issues. Okay, we'll fix that. All right. Let's put it up here and dissect it. There we go. Get whatever wire we can get out of it. Something is better than nothing. I'm gonna chuck it anyway. Might as well. There we go. All right, that's the wire. Let's put it in there. We got it in here. We'll leave it just like that for right now. We'll see what else come around. We can put stuff inside of it. Just like that. All right, let's keep rolling. All right, guess what? We're back. We're back to take it all now. I guess the other gentleman doesn't want it or can't take it or however the case may be. But we got the mowers for right now. The mowers and a big pressure washer over there. So, we'll see. Let's get it done. All right, let's get it going. We'll pot them up in there. There we go. All right, let's shorten them up. Let's shorten them up a little bit. All right. All right, give me a minute. We got one in there. Number 2. Number 2. Let's get the hammer. My best friend. Feels like it's loose. There we go. Had to do it, huh? Had to happen. I knew it was going to happen. I had a feeling. Anyway. Okay. What can I do here? I'll figure it out. Oh, I hate keep cutting in and out of the videos. Alright, well, I'll do what I gotta do. We'll just put it in like this. And put the other one on top of this one. That's it. We'll work with what we got. Let's get number 3. All right. Number 3 it is. All right, let's see if we can do this one without breaking it. How's that? How does this work? There we go. Ooh, it's muggy here today. All right. I don't know what's going on with the camera. I don't know. We'll see. Let's get the rest of the stuff. Yeah, I don't know. It keeps cutting in and out. All right. I'm trying to get this on Betty. It's a little heavy. So we're going to try to bring it up this way. Makes it a little easier. Let's see. I don't know. I'm gonna give it a try. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got it. We got it. Yeah. There we go. Ooh. It's heavy. Definitely heavy. We got it in there. All right, what else? These ramps are going with me. He gave me these ramps. So, let's see what else we got in here. Oh, we got metal. A whole bunch of pulleys. All right. Just gets better and better, doesn't it? There we go. Car parts. Shoes. That's it. All right. Let's put all these buckets together. Organize them for them. There we go. All right, what else we got here? Couple of pumps and stuff. That pumps, he says it works. I'm gonna take that one. Put all that stuff right in there. It won't bother. Oh, that was heavy. I feel it. Yes, it was. All right, let's put these ramps inside. Which way? This way? That way. And then we'll put the other one right there. There we go. All right, let's get some water. All right, we got a bunch of car parts, an AC unit, a window AC unit, but they're in there talking and doing their thing, so I didn't want to record over there. But yeah, we got more stuff. We got plenty more. So yeah, let's get whatever we get. There we go. We'll fill this up. Let's put the old trusty hammer back. We don't want to lose it. We're gonna move Betty. Get closer to the place. If not, I'm gonna walk miles today. We gotta remember that. So, all right, let's go. All right, he said everything in the cavity goes. Let's leave these lights on. I don't want to take something that we throw away and then he might need it. Let's take this too. All right. Whew. Ouch. Right there. Let's move some of this stuff out of the way. All right, we got some more car parts here. Some more heavy car parts. Oh, I can't lift it. There we go. There we go. Let's keep on going. We got some computers over here too. Some towers. All right. Let's see here. Funnel. I don't know if that's going to be worth anything. I don't want to take that. There's a computer. All right. That we keep close. This is regular. That's not an old antique or anything like that. So, just a regular record player. Get the chords. There we go. Oof. Let's keep it in our pocket. All right, got a couple things more here. Another tower. Let's he has some antique cars, so let's leave that stuff. We got to get that engine. Yeah, let's not mess with that stuff, just in case. What else we got here? Got another one. We'll take it with the wood, don't matter. They won't say anything. All right. Let's take it. All right, we got the engine. And we got whatever this is. Yeah, I can. I can see by the gas tank.
Yeah. And was the very
Oh. All right, so we got 2 more towers. He says AC works. I don't know. And all that. So oh my goodness. Let's grab it and go.
There's 2. Which one? That's at least worth a nickel. Well, in today's time, 6 cents. I mean, 3 cents. Whatever.
There you go. And a piece of copper. Nice little piece of copper. All right, we got some big jack stands here also. I have. There we go. And these 4 also. There we go. 2 más. All right. Betty's getting loaded. All right, let's get some water. And just like that, we are done for today. Come in. Yep. We gotta go see his storage unit. He got a lot of stuff. He's not gonna take all of it with him. But this is a process. A little bit here, a little bit there. Put that in there. I don't know what that is, but I told him I'd take it. So we'll take it. All right, let's tie all this down. All right, we are done. Got some batteries too, PCs, AC, a pump, some stands for, no, not stands, some ramps that I need when I do the oil changes, 3 lawnmowers, and whatever we found before. Looks good to me. Let's go to the scrapyard. All right, we're here. Let's unload Betty. Let's get rid of those 3 batteries right now and then go to the back. Unload. We got some stuff we gotta keep, so keep your eye on everything. I don't want to lose anything I need. All right.
And you said that's it for this side?
Yeah, that's it for this side. The rest of it is over to the tin side.
All right, I'll let Sunshine know you're on your way.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, amigo.
All right, let's see what we got on old Betty. Let's see what we weigh in. Ooh, 44. 44.20. All right, sounds good enough. We're gonna keep the 2 red ones. The rest of it, I don't need any of that. The AC we're gonna keep. Of course, the computers. Yeah, and the ramps. Everything else goes out. Let's go unload. What's up, boss? All right, so we're gonna keep this one. Oh my goodness. And we're gonna keep this one. Rest of them go. Uh-oh. There we go. Please stay. Last thing we want is break that. Ah, fucking shit. I don't know what it is. All right, let's get these babies out of here. Hope they come out the same way they went in with no issues. I guess not. They're giving me problems. There we go. All right, next one. I have a feeling that something wants to smack me in the head. Yep, I got that feeling. Definitely. Let's get this one out of here. This is the troublemaker. stays and stays. You, unfortunately, you gotta go. All right, that's that. We keep the rest. We're all set. All right, we are done. Let's see what we weigh out now. What did it say, 4,400? We gotta be at least, oh, that's another 800 pounds. About. All right. All right, thank you. All right, have a good one. All right, let's roll. And we kept a bunch of goodies. Yes, we did. All right, so we got 93 pounds at 15 cents a pound for the batteries, $13.85. Was in line. I told the guy maybe like 10, 12 cents. I don't remember exactly. 15. And we had 800 pounds. We came in at 44.20, left us 36.20. 7 cents still. So for the total, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 69.95. There we go. All right. Thank you for sticking along. Thank you for everything you guys do for me. I truly appreciate it. I'm working very hard to give you guys, not you guys, I'm sorry, you viewers, videos. And some are better than others. I can't complain. I can't do nothing about that. There's sometimes there's more stuff, sometimes there's other. Thank you. That's all I can say. We'll see you on the next episode. This is Treasure Coast Scrapper. God bless, behave, recycle. You know the deal. Thank you very much.